Uh, Good morning, ma'am. This is my report about land evaluation at Ubao Aguinaldo, Ifugao. Suitability analysis, planning the evaluation, identification and characterization of the land mapping unit, identification and description of the land utilization type or LUT, matching land use requirements with the land quality and characteristics, land suitability classification, land utilization type or LUT, land characteristic is the slope, evaluation, drainage, soil texture at soil depth. Ang land unit ng slope ay 2 to 8%. Land evaluation is 166 meter square. Ang drainage ay class 4 well drained. Soil texture is clay loam. Soil depth is 100 meter. Land LUT produce market orientation, capital intensity, size of land holding, land tenure, mechanization, material input, source of irrigation. Ang material orientation is subsistence. Ang capital intensity nito ay low. Size of land holding ay 10 meter by 10 meters. Land tenure ay private o pang sarili namin. Mechanization ay non-mechanism. Material input ay low. Source of irrigation ay wala. Land use requirements, sweet potato. Ang criteria: topography, flooding, drainage, texture, soil depth. Ang S1 ay sa topography ay 0 to 8 at ang flooding sa S1 ay FO at ang drainage ay good moderate at ang S2 naman ay 8 to 16 at ang S3 sa topography ay 16 to 30 at ang N1 ay 3 to 50 at ang N2 ay greater than 50 at ang land characteristic nito ay 2 to 8% at ang flooding nito sa S3 ay F1, sa N2 naman ay F2, sa land characteristics ay FO. Ang drainage nito sa F2 ay imperfect, good, at ang S3 ay poor arid at ang N1 ay poor drainable at ang N2 ay poor not drainable at ang land characteristic nito ay class 4 well drained. At ang suitability classification action ay S3SA. Ang potential problem nito ay erosion at ang solution ito ay on slope terracing can be an effective way to control soil erosion. Terrace reduce slope length and gradient, thus minimizing water runoff and soil loss. This method also facilitates better water and infiltration soil. At dito naman tayo sa land unit ng Cassava. Ang produce ay market orientation at ang pangalawa ay capital intensity, size of land holding, land tenure, mechanization, material input, source of irrigation. At dito sa market orientation ng Cassava ay subsistence. At ang capital intensity nito ay low. Ang size of land ay 10 meter by 15 meter. At ang land tenure ay private. At mechanization ay non-mechanization. Ang material input nito ay low. At ang source of irrigation nito ay none. Land quality requirements of cassava. Halos magkapsing pareho lang ng sweet potato pero may naiba. Basahin nyo na lang. At ang suitability classification of action nito ay S3IM. At ang potential problem nito ay flood risk. At ang nakita naming solution dito ay installing proper drainage systems such as ditches or underground drainage pipes help to channel excess water away from cassava field. This system prevent water from accumulating and flooding the plant root. At ang suitable rating nito ay land unit ay sa number 1 ay ang location nito ay Cubao, Minanga. At ang suitability rating nito ay S3SA. Ang land unit number 2 ay sa Cubao din, Minanga. At ang suitability rating nito ay S3IM. The suitability of this analysis that the land unit Cubao, Minanga, if the soil is suitable for sweet potato production, there is a problem that the soil face of like erosion. This problem can solve through using terracing to reduce the slope length and gradient, thus minimizing water runoff and soil loss. For the second suitability analysis of soil that the land in Cubao, Minanga, if it's suitable for cassava production, there is a problem in the production of cassava. However, there is a solution. The solution for problem flood risk is installing proper drainage help to channel excess water away from cassava field. Dito po nagtatapos ang aking ginawang report. Thank you.